Hey guys, I'm Basil, you're watching Tech Radar, and Asus has just announced two new ZenBook Pros at Computex 2018 here in Taipei. You have the 14 and the 15, but these two have one thing in common, and that is the ScreenPad, a 5.5-inch Full HD panel that replaces a trackpad complete with touch interactivity. It looks sweet. I'll come on to that in a bit more detail in a second, but first, let's talk about specs, and I'm going to focus on the 15.6-inch variant. Starting with the screen, 15.6 inches paired with 4K resolution means it is plenty sharp. It's also got touch interactivity, and it is well suited to media professionals, covering 100% of the Adobe RGB color gamut, and it's Pantone verified as well. As for internals, you've got up to an i9 processor with up to 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM with up to 1 terabyte of solid state storage as well. Graphics are integrated NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti, so it should be able to handle video editing and basic gaming with no problems whatsoever. Add to that the fact you've got tons of ports on this thing. It's a real desktop replacement. You can output to up to 2 4K monitors and 1 Full HD monitor, which as a setup means you can have up to 5 screens, including that Full HD 5.5-inch ScreenPad. The additional connections look decent too. Bluetooth 5, you've got Wave 2 Wi-Fi for really fast data connections, and on top of that, like I said earlier, you've got that ScreenPad. In a little bit more detail, this thing can run its own applications like calendar, music controls. You can even control things that are going on your primary display, like YouTube video playback. You can use it as an extended screen of sorts, not in the traditional sense, but you can watch a video on it while you're getting on with work on your primary display. Asus is opening up the APIs so development for ScreenPad applications can commence, and from the off it already plays nice with apps from Microsoft like PowerPoint and Excel. Really looking forward to seeing how this integration goes forward. But it isn't all good when it comes to the ScreenPad, if indeed you want to be saving on battery. Reason being, with its roughly 10 hours of quoted battery time, it's reduced down to around 6 hours with that ScreenPad fully functioning. So you want to turn it off, and fortunately Asus has given you the option to do that if indeed you're out and about and want to preserve your juice. Still, as a desktop replacement that's plugged in, the ScreenPad looks like it could be a really neat tool. First impressions are the ScreenPad looks nice, it's a matte finish, and you can customize the wallpaper. It can also save you a lot of time. Changing things like text size and color is much quicker than doing it with the on-screen pointer, but it can also get a little bit confusing. When you just want to drag and tap, you end up potentially tapping on elements that will change something in your Excel document, for example. What's really also noticeable is the fact that this laptop seems to attract fingerprints like crazy, but other than those two caveats, I'd say that the ScreenPad looks like a really decent addition, and the laptop in general looks and sounds exciting. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. To find out a lot more about the ZenBook Pro 14 and 15, techradar.com is your destination, and if you're watching this on YouTube, you know what to do. Click the thumbs up button if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.